Students, welcome to the maths class. Today we will continue the brain teasers of unit 4 which are at page number 73 and 74. In our previous lecture we have completed the brain teasers up to question number 6. Now let's start question number 7. Reduce into lowest terms. This thing we have already done in worksheet 1 of the chapter. Let's discuss its one part, B part, 35 by 63. To reduce it into lowest term, what should we do? We have to find the common factor of 35 and 63. Just think about the common factor. Yes, it is 7. Yes, common factor is 7. So, what we have to do now? 35 divides 7 and 63 divides 7. When 35 divides 7 it's 5. 63 divides 7 it's 9. Now think of the common factor of numerator and denominator. It is 1. So 5 by 9 is the lowest term of given fraction. Okay, let's see its one more part. C part, 44 by 99. Just think about the common factor. It is 11. So 44 by 99 will be divided by 11 and we will get 4 by 9. Now we will keep on dividing till we are left with the common factor 1. So now think of the common factor of 4 and 9. It is 1. So 4 by 9 is the lowest term of given fraction. The remaining two parts of question number 7 will you do on your own. Question number 8 is arrange in ascending order. Let's see its B part. 1 5 by 6, 11 by 9, 5 by 16 and 3. First of all, mixed will be converted to improper and there is nothing under 3, so we will write 1. Then as we all know, find the LCM of denominators. Its calculation is too long, so the LCM will be 144. Firstly go at 2, then 2, then 2, then 2, then 3 and then 3. So we will have the LCM 144. Then write the common denominator 144. 144 when divides by 6. If you are unable to do it orally, then you can calculate by division. Then it will be 24 and 24 multiplied by 11 it will be 244. Now 144 will be divided by 9. It is 16 and 16 multiply 11 it is 176. Then 144 divides by 16 it's 9. 9 5s are 45. 144 divides 1 it's 144 multiplied by 3 it's 432. These are 4 different numerators we have got. Then write the separate fractions. 244 by 144, 176 by 144, 45 by 144 and 432 by 144. Okay, so now to arrange in ascending order, let's start from the smallest one. Denominators are same. Which numerator is the smallest? 45. It's 144. Then 176 by 144, then 244 by 144, then 432 by 144. Okay, so the fraction corresponding to 45 it's 5 by 16. Then 176 represents the fraction 11 by 9. Then 244 represents 1 5 by 6 and 432 represents 3. So This is the ascending order of given fractions. 5 by 16, 11 by 9, 1, 5 by 6 and 3. Okay, this is the B part of question number 8. A part will you do on your own. Let's move to question number 9. Find the product. We all know how to find the product. Try to cancel as much as you can. So, how can we? In the first view, we can think that how can we cancel? So, we just have to think again that numerator 4 can be cancelled with this denominator also. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Now 3 1s are 3 7s are. Now what to do now? This 18 7 cannot be cancelled, 18 35 cannot be cancelled, 7 25 cannot be cancelled, but 35 and 25 can be cancelled. 5 7s are 5 5s are. Okay, so we are left with 1 by 1 multiply 7 by 18 multiply 7 by 5. Okay, so multiply it. 7 1 7 7 multiplied together it's 49, 118 5 it's 90. This is a proper fraction and this is our answer. Let's move to next. 1 1 by 4, 2 3 by 5 multiply 2 4 by 5. Mixed number converted to improper. Try to cancel it. 5 1s are 5 1s are. 2 2s are 2 7s are. Okay, that's it now. So the remaining fractions will be 1 by 2 multiply 13 by 1 multiply 7 by 5. It's 13 7s are 91, 2 5s are 10. As the answer is in improper fraction, convert into mixed number. 10 9s are 90, 1 will left, 10 will be denominator. 9 1 by 10 is the answer of the question. After this, question number 10 is of solve these division sums. How to divide two fractions? Firstly, convert into improper, then division sign will be converted to multiplication. 4 by 9, then try to cancel. Is the cancellation possible? This can be cancelled. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Yes, that's it. 77 multiplied by 1 it's 77, 2 9s are 18. Now it's an improper fraction. Convert into mixed number. 77 by 18, 18 4s are 72, 5 will left by 18. This is the answer. Okay, and its B part is 52 divides 2 3 by 5. There is nothing under 52, so we will write 1. Mixed will be converted to improper. Then division sign will be converted to multiplication with a reciprocal. Then 13 1s are 13 4s are. 4 5s are 20, 1 1s are 1. 1 can be left and 20 is the answer. Okay, this completes our question number 10 of Brain Teasers. The remaining questions of BT we will discuss in next lecture. And your homework is do question number 6 to 10 of Brain Teasers.